Hi, Duz. Are you gonna crawl to me? Duz turned 6 months old in 2 days. Day after tomorrow is his 6-month birthday. Do you want this doll, Duz? Come get the baby. Come get the baby. Desmond, crawl to me. Come crawl to me. Come a little bit closer, Duz. Come on. Crawl to me. Hi, Duz. Can you wave? Say hi. Yeah, that's right. Waving. Good wave. Good waving, Duz. You're almost to the baby. Hi. Are you waving again? Hi, baby. Hi, Desmond. Crawl to the baby. Come on, big boy. Hey. You're such a wavy man. Can you say mama? Good crawling. There you go. Look at you. You're almost there. Yay, you got the baby. What are you gonna do now that you have it? I'm gonna hold the baby's hand. Hi, baby. Are you waving? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. I'm gonna touch the baby's face. Ouch, that's baby's eye. Are you holding your baby's hand? Are you making the baby wave, Does the baby say hi? Hi. Can you say mama? Mama. Does he say mama? Say ba 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 ba. Say mama? What are you going to do with that baby? That's Ein. Okay, does he say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, camera. Are you showing that baby how to crawl? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye, Des? Say bye-bye. You waving with the baby? Des, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. Look at Mama, Des. Des, look at Mommy. Oh, is that your dog? Des? Desmond. Monkey. No monkey boy. Can you look at Mama? Hey. Are you gonna kiss that baby? Can you give me a wave goodbye, Des? Are you waving with the baby's hand? You're funny. Okay.